Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anas Shazwan Zulkifli, and today I would like to present about my web application, which is the title of my web application is Recipe Saver application. Okay, let's start with introduction. Recipe Saver is a mobile application developed using MIT App Inventor, designed to help users easily save, view and manage their favorite recipes. With a user-friendly interface and local data storage using TinyDB, which is Tiny Database, Recipe Saver allows users to add, edit, and delete recipes anytime without internet access. It aims to make personal recipe management easy, efficient, and accessible for everyday use. Next part is problem statement. For the problem statement, many people struggle to keep their recipes organized, especially when using notebook or relying on memory. Most digital solutions require internet access or are too complex. There is a need for simple offline app that allow users to save, manage, and access their personal recipes easily on their mobile devices. For the objective, the first objective is to provide a simple and user-friendly interface for saving and managing recipes. So the application allows users to save and manage any recipes easily, including the recipe title, ingredients, and step in an organized manner. And for the second objective, to promote better organization of personal cooking information. This application serves as a digital notebook, offering a more convenient alternative to a regular note-taking apps for users who want to keep track of their cooking's idea. So, for the last objective, to provide appeal through the use of background images and color formatting. The application uses colorful background images and highlighted buttons to make the interface more engaging and attractive, encouraging more users to use this app. Okay, for the scope section, the first point is a simple mobile application to help users save and organize personal recipes. The second point is support basic CRUD operation. If you ask me what is CRUD operation, in this case, CRUD operation is a short form for create, read, update, and delete. In this case, the application allows the user to create, read, update, and delete recipe data, which is title, ingredient, and steps. For the next point is built using MIT App Inventor for Android users. Actually, it doesn't matter whether you are using an iPhone or an Android, you still can access the application. And the next point is stores data locally using Tiny Database, allowing offline access. It means that the user do not have to have any internet connection to access this application, which is it is very convenient for the user to use it. And the last point is designed with a user-friendly interface and attractive visual with the colorful backgrounds. The next part is the impact of the Recipe Saver app to the targeted audience. The first point is easy access to save recipe anytime, anywhere, offline use. Since the app is offline use, the user can access the application anytime and anywhere without having any problems. The second point is helps users organize and manage cooking ideas efficiently. And the third point is improve daily cooking productivity and planning. The next point is encourages digital usage for non-technical users. And the last point is visual engaging, making recipe saving more fun and enjoyable. The last part is conclusion. The conclusion for this web application is Recipe Saver is a simple and user-friendly app that helps users save, organize, and manage their recipes daily. With offline access, a clean interface, and basic CRUD functions, it provides a practical solution for anyone who wants to keep their cooking ideas in one place.
Hello, so today I would like to present about my application, which is my Recipe Saver. So this is my application. This is the screen one, which is the home screen, As you can see here, there are two buttons which are add new recipe and delete all recipe. So if I click the add new recipe, the application will be directed into this screen, which is add recipe screen. So in this screen, let's put a recipe. Let's say nasi goreng here, and then the ingredient nasi, minyak, serbuk, adabi. Steps, masukkan dalam kuali. So in this screen, there are two buttons, which is save recipe or cancel. So right now we want to save this recipe first, and then as you can see, there is a recipe that I saved just now. So let's say you want to look back at your save recipe, so the screen will be directed to this screen, which is view recipe screen. In this screen, there is one button which is save changes, and you can edit if you miss something on ingredient or steps or even the title of the recipe. So let's say I forgot about sauce, then I can just edit right there and click on the save changes, and it will be saved. And you can see the latest one, sauce. So there. And for the delete a recipe, if you want to reset your application like a new one, so you can just click the delete all recipe button, so it will be reset. Okay, that's all. Thank you.